Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a plan with me for the week of February 18th through the 24th. I'm going to be using my Spring is Coming kit. I am completely obsessed with it. I am so ready for spring. This weather has been driving me crazy. It's a little bit out of control, how cold it's been. And in Chicago, I mean, it's expected, and we've actually had like not a bad winter, but I'm just over it. Okay, I'm over it. I don't want to be bothered with the cold anymore. So I'm just excited for spring. Anything that is going to remind me of spring, it just puts me in a happy place. So let's get into planning. I don't really have that much coming up next week, but we'll see how the week ends up turning out. All right, let's get started.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired. I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. Love me better than you do.
Alrighty guys, so that is it for my February 18th through the 24th plan with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, check out my Etsy shop, BrushTillDawn, and I will see you guys in the next one.